All right. Well, let's move on to the side hustle of the week that we want to highlight.
The week, yes.
So this is
Lisa. Have you heard about this company, Lisa?
I did, but I heard it on another gig workers roundtable is how I heard about it. So
there you go. So there's the Uber of laundry, people. This is okay. Every week we're bringing some side hustle. There's some smart ass commenting, that's not a side hustle. I'm like, what is that not a side hustle? Of course it's a side hustle. What does that mean? And then, they always make fun of these other side hustles. I go, you make this kind of money, and then we'll be talking about it. But anyway, this company got 11 million in funding, by the way. They're for real. In fact, they were doing much better, by the way, during the pandemic. I mean, much worse during the pandemic because everybody's at home washing their own stuff. Now that the economy is open, people are going back to work. Well, there you go. You can make up to $2,000 in a 4-week period washing other people's dirty laundry. And it's all done by the app, just like the Uber thing. There's, you just pick up the laundry, and then there is extra additional services you can charge for, I mean, this is like the old Chinese fluff and fold laundry kind of.
I might pick up the side hustle so I can put all that money into saving up to buy a laundromat.
Yes. Yes. What a great idea.
And then you have everybody come there who is...
then I'll let everybody who does this side hustle use my app or my laundromat as an app.
Wow, Tony. Talk about leveraging your idea. Holy crap, that's wonderful. Seriously, you know what? That's amazing. So save enough money, buy a laundromat, and have all these humpers. What are they called? They're called humpers?
Hamper.
I was just
That's like Sergio being the teddy bear cuddle boy.
Okay, it wasn't an intentional slip. Relax, people. So, no, but what are they called, actually?
Hampers.
Hamper.
No, I know. That's the company.
Oh,
the people who do it.
Washers.
Washers?
Yeah, it says the company's Washers.
WASHRS. So they said we're gonna say screw the E. The E's out. You're fired.
They can.
That's why you're a contractor and not an employee, because they took out the E.
Humpers. It's not humpers, John. It's hampers. Hampers. And humpers are something
different
than hampers.
Here's the thing. Again, we talked about what was it? Was it reseller or something? One of the, I don't remember. We've done a few side gigs at this point, but people have been doing this type of side gig already, where they have their own clientele. They'll wash the clothes, they'll fold. They work it out as a private clientele basis.
It's called a housekeeper.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Sort of, but they actually have.
At least I would like to have one of those.
Well, I mean,
a PA, personal assistant.
That
just depends on where, but so I mean, like, instead of getting 70%, you can get 100% by going out and doing it yourself. So it's just a matter of finding these things or what you enjoy. But yeah, again, side hustle, you can clean dirty clothes, dirty laundry.
Yeah, I'm agreeing with a lot of the comments over here. I would not do it because I don't want to deal with bed bugs, lice, other unmentionables. Like
Tony says, yeah, there you go.
And I have 5 kids. We will do like 4 loads of laundry a day, and if we don't do 4 loads of laundry a day, it's mountains of laundry.
That's the real reason why I want to buy a laundromat.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.